Okay, look at this. Our next topic is about refraction of light through a parallel slab. তার মানে সমান্তরাল ফলকের মধ্য দিয়ে আলোর প্রতিসরণ. Now ICSE class 10 students already you have done it. Okay, what we shall get from here? We get some displacement, right? We shall get some displacement from here, that is known as the lateral displacement, you know. Now let's calculate the amount of lateral displacement. And an interesting fact here what is that? Let's say light is coming from this point P. It incident at a point Q at an angle, let's say I1, and as it is entering into the denser medium, that is ঘন মাধ্যম, then I am taking this angle as R1. Okay, and now look at this. This is another normal. This angle will be also R1. Now you may ask me why this is R1, because this is parallel and these are two normals, so these are also parallel. তাহলে এই দুটো প্যারালাল মানে সমান্তরাল, and this is our intersector, so this is R1 and this is R1 alternate angle or একান্তর কোণ, এই দুটো same. Okay, and let's say this is I2. What is our aim here? We shall prove that the ray PQ and RS are parallel to each other. That means this dotted line and this RS line are parallel to each other. We have to prove this. So this is a very easy geometrical process. Okay, let's start. What we got already? That R1 equal to R2. That is in our hand. And let's say this is medium 1 with refractive index mu1, and this is medium 2, and again here this is medium 1. Okay, so I am applying the Snell's law on the first surface. How? mu1 sin I1 that is equal to mu2 sin R1, right? So from here I can write sin I1 by sin R1 that is equal to mu2 by mu1. Let it be. Okay, on the second surface what I can write? mu2 sin R1 that is equal to mu1 sin I2. Okay, and from here what we can write? mu2 by mu1 that is equal to sin I2 by sin R1. Now compare these two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now comparing these two equations, comparing what we are getting? This is mu2 by mu1, this is also mu2 by mu1, so this one equal to this one. So what we can write? Sin I2 equal to sin I1. How? Because this R1 also equal. So from here we can write I2 equal to I1, right? That means this angle equal to this angle, and when the angles are equal, then we can say that this ray is parallel to this ray, right? Easy geometry. So that is why we can say that this ray is parallel to this line. Okay, this ray is parallel to this line, and I am giving a name here, that is X. Okay, and this is the solid line, and Rx will be called the lateral displacement, or in Bengali পার্শ্ব সরণ, মানে সাইডের দিকে সরে যাওয়া. Is it okay? Now our aim is to calculate this lateral displacement. Okay, actually this is a little bit hectic process. Of course the calculation is a little bit large, but actually easy. Okay, just look at this, how we calculate this very carefully. We are taking this as T, and QT equal to thickness of the slab. I am writing here QT, that is equal to T, that is the thickness of the slab. Okay, QT equal to T, the thickness of the slab,